Alright, you're welcome. Today's tutorial will be a quick one. It's going to be a simple flyer, and this is a design I got from Pinterest and from Leonart. That's the original designer. So I want us to recreate something like this. We'll just use different images and all that. So let me go straight over to my um download, then I'll bring in the model image that I'll be using to replicate this. Please, if this is the first time on my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what type of tutorial you want me to be making more of, because this is what we do here. We make tutorials that designers can start their career with a smartphone and hopefully climb up the ladder. And I'm Kingsley. Make sure you watch to the end. All the resources will be made available for you. All you just have to do is watch to the end and make sure you um, learn one or two things. So this is the model image that I'll be using, and the concept of this is kind of like you got the image background from the image of the lady. That's how the concept is for this design. So let's set our background color. We'll pick it from her. That's the now we might change it a little bit. Okay. So we have set our background color to be like that. And like I said, we might change it a little bit for contrast sake, but let's go ahead with our design and see how we can achieve more. So then let's bring in this shape here that the original designer used. Okay, and take it to the back. Let's pick the color from the original design. Use your color picker. Just this. You have this down, and you want to copy it. And edit. So now, and take it to the back. Then let's pick the color from the original design. Copy it. And take it to the back. Then the color, pick it as well from the original design. It's going to be a quick one. It won't take time. And we've achieved that already. So okay. So we've done that. The other thing will just bring in two circle shapes. Two circle shapes. It's gonna be this. It's just a quick one. That's like I said. It won't have to take much time. Then copy it. But we'll be reducing this one a little bit more, then make it green. Then pick the color from the design. Now we're talking. Or let it be like this. Then we bring the other one down. Then let's bring in the text. 220124. 2201 24. Still want to reduce the size. Let's see. 25 will be appropriate. 2201. I think if you want to make it bigger, 30 is okay. So we've done that. One more thing, bringing shape, and I'm gonna place this over here like this. We are basically modeling most of what the original designer did. The only thing we just changed um the image, model image. Once more, give a shout out to the original designer, Leonart. So this will be a quick one. I wanted us to start with something simple, and that's how we usually start every genre of design. Just something you can get your hands on in a relatively short time. So okay, and we've done that, and now we'll just have. Let's copy this. We'll type in happy birthday. Okay. We just want to make no. So we'll have it like this. The background color will be pink. We'll pick it from the original design. This is a color picker, and you wanna stretch it as much as you can. Then the top, I think 10 will be okay. Bottom, I think we have it to be like this, and place this here. Then bring in under text. We're using a different font now for this one. So we have joy. Even though this one will be a little bit tricky because now we have this particular portion of our shirt showing, but we'll navigate that. I'll show you how we'll navigate that. Let's use which font. We need a short bold font. So let me go through my fonts and see which one we're gonna use. Okay, I think this one is okay. But let's go for I used class display. Let's go for the bold. I think that is okay. Copy it and diligence. So have it to be like this. Your diligence will have it to be like this. Or let us leave it at 100. Take it to the up. Okay. There you have it. So what we're gonna do now for this, okay, before that, One more text that we have to bring in. Copy, remove the background. Let's say wishing you a wonderful birthday, blah blah blah, and all that. Wishing you a wonderful birthday celebration or whatever. Let's put whatever block of text you want to put there. Okay, something just happened right now. Our text just kind of went up. I don't know. It's something I noticed with PixelLab, but that won't disturb our work. So let's go and look for shadow. There's this shadow effect. Shadow effect. This beautiful. So this shadow effect like this. We'll be using this to make some contrast, and the color will be the color of our background. Okay, seems that we lost that. Let's pick it from upload again. So we have this to be like this. You copy it, copy it. We don't want it to be too much. So let's lock it. Bring this to the front, centralize it. Then we'll have to bring this to the front, bring it down, take this down, bring it to the front, bring this to the front also. So what else is remaining? Make sure your work is centralized. Let's paste this, give it some spacing, align it to the center, remember. And this block of text here, you should also space it, give it some spacing. And this, bring it down. Then this, you might want to give it spacing or you increase the size, whichever one works for you. Whichever one works for you. And you have it to be like that. Beautiful. And our work is almost set. We just had to bring all this in that were flying down. They were flying up, I don't know. Bring it down. Yes. Bring this down also. Then every other thing is set, I believe. So now we've able to replicate this design. You can see we've done virtually everything. So thank you for watching to the end. All you need to do is just save as a project, then afterward you save as an image. And when you saving, always save as ultra. That's the highest quality. Thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in tomorrow's tutorial. But before I go, please drop in the comments what's one thing you learned and also what tutorial you want me to be making more of. Thank you.